In this lesson, we'll review a sentence completion problem. It's part of the critical reading section. We're on page 458, question 6 out of 8. And this is, in fact, a level 5. It is a difficult problem. Pretty short question, but the vocab is tough, and I think that's why a lot of students miss this problem. Scientists wonder what to do with the dead satellites, jettisoned rockets, drifting paint flecks, and other blank orbiting Earth. So let's come up with the key words or phrases and predict the answer before looking at the choices. So that'll avoid being biased by the selections. Scientists wonder what to do. We've got these satellites. They were orbiting the Earth, but now they're dead. Jettisoned rockets, so they were dropped or shot, and now, again, they've sort of just floating, drifting, paint flecks, and other blanks. So all of these items are just sort of floating around. They're no longer functioning. They're just orbiting and floating. So you're looking for a word like debris. Now, you're not going to always come up with debris, but you need to think it's something just floating around, doesn't really have direction, the remains that are orbiting the Earth. All right, let's look at the answer choices, and we'll use this as an exercise to build vocab. So I'm going to start with E. Sustenance is a common word, and that's just basic needs for life, for existence. So food and shelter and clothing, that would be just the basic needs, basic sustenance of life. And obviously that is not debris. Raiment, this is just a strange red herring, and it's a tough question. I think a word a lot of students don't know what it means, and it just simply relates to clothing. Another good adjective relating to clothing is sartorial. You hear sartorial splendor. He's a man he's well dressed. Sartorial relates to dress. Raiment is a noun. Again, relates to clothing. That's not the choice. Decimate, total destruction. Just completely obliterated. Some other good words. Extirpation, to be totally just wiped out or eradicated. All those words, eradicate, that's a verb. Extirpation is a noun. Destruction, total annihilation, obviously not the choice. And then reconnaissance, you hear this a lot in military terms, but it's also, you can use it in English as well, just in more standard usage. It's sort of an investigation. So to go on a reconnaissance mission beyond enemy lines to investigate, a recon mission sometimes for short, that is definitely not the choice. And it's flotsam. Flotsam means debris. You hear this in maritime a lot. It's just the remnants or the remains. You also hear the word flotsam and jetsam. These two are pretty synonymous, and it just means remains floating on the ocean, or it could be in orbit. And if you watch The Little Mermaid, I think these were two of the eels, the moray eels, that were under the direction of Ursula, the sea witch. So maybe that helped you if you watched The Little Mermaid. But flotsam, jetsam, just remains. And the answer choice is A. All right. See you next time. Thanks for watching.